Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Windows Server 2016. So first we need download Windows Server 2016. So now I am going to show you how to download Windows Server 2016. Open your browser. Here write get into PC. This one, click get into PC. Then this is get into PC website link, click this one. Then this is get into PC website. Here you click operating system tab. This tab under you find all operating system. So we need Windows Server 2016. You write here Windows Server, then showing all Windows Server, Windows space server, then press enter. This server related all information here showing 240 Windows Server showing here. So first one, this 2 days ago, this one Windows Server 2019, this one Windows Server 2003, this one download Windows Server 2016. This one we need. So click this one, link, go down here, you see Windows Server 2016 with May 2008 update free download. So you click download button here. Your requested resource will be generated from Linux server. Wait for accesses. Please wait, file will start automatically. You sometime wait, then start automatically. You download. See, already start download. Click show all. Then you see your Windows Server already start downloading 2016. Here showing 7.3 GB. So here showing 6 hour need, but at least 2 or 3 hour needs. So I pause this one, because if I download full show, then come video big. So now I pause this one. Now I'm going to show you. This is close. Then I'm going to my download folder. This is my download folder. After download you find like this Windows Server 2016 ISO file. Then you make bootable USB. How can make bootable USB? I already make one lesson. You check Windows troubleshooting section. Also I will give you link under description. You check. Then you can make bootable USB for installing your Windows Server 2016. So this is ISO file. After download you find ISO file. Then you make bootable USB. Then you can install your file. So now I am going to show you how to install Windows Server 2016. So first you boot from your pen drive or CD DVD. Then after boot start your Windows Server 2016. So now I boot from my pen drive. Then loading file, already start installation Windows Server 2016. After boot come like this. Here you see Windows Server 2016. So language select English. This one by default come English. Then you click next. Then click install now button. Setup is starting. Here you see Windows Server 2016 standard desktop experience. We need this one. This one also okay, standard, but this one you find all feature you will find features of Windows Server 2016. Then click select this one. Then click next. Accept term. Click next. Then click custom installation. This one. click. I have one partition, then I create new partition, then click apply. OK, my partition already created. This is system reserved, so this one my partition need format. Now this one select, then click format, then click OK. Then you which one you partition select, then click next. Which partition you want to install, then click next, and copy Windows file. Now I skipping for save time. You just follow step by step, then you can install your Windows Server 2016. Now restart your computer. After restart again, start Windows installation. Getting devices ready. Still processing installation. Wait some time. This is your administrator username and password. So username by default come administrator. You write here a strong password. If you write normal password, see I write here normal one password, then this one normal password I writing now, then I click finish. See come error because type does not meet the password complexity. So you need a strong password. You write character and number mixed a strong password. Otherwise do not take your password. So you write character number mixed one strong password. I writing now strong password here. Then click finish. Now taking my password. So deploying image services, you need some time wait. Then restart your computer again. Then here you write your administrator password. Then now log in your Windows Server 2016 by admin user, administrator user. Please wait for this for the user profile services. Still processing, preparing Windows. Dear listener, our Windows Server 2016 installation finish. After install, automatic come server manager. This one. This is dashboard Windows Server 2016. So how can configure dashboard? Later I will show you. Also I will show you how to configure local server. Here click. Here come local server related all information. Here you see how to change computer name, everything I will show you later step by step. Now I close this one. So if you feel any problem, please comment me. I will try to solve your problem. If you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe.